Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to activate a referral code on Binance and enjoy welcome bonuses and other benefits. With a referral ID, you'll not only get trading fee discounts but also up to $100 in vouchers. In this video, we'll cover how to maximize all the advantages Binance offers. Stay with us, and you'll learn how easy it is to claim your bonuses. So, let's start with the first step. To receive the bonus, click the link in the description below this video and create a new account on Binance. Enter your email address on the homepage. Confirm it by entering the code sent to your email. Then, create a strong password. If you followed our bonus link, the referral code will be automatically activated. Otherwise, manually enter the code HAG4N6T6 in the appropriate field. It's simple, and your account will be successfully registered. After registration, you will be prompted to complete verification. This is necessary to receive the first $20 voucher and unlock all the platform's features. You need to provide information confirming your identity and take a selfie. Follow the instructions and wait for confirmation. Once your account is verified, you will immediately receive a $20 voucher. To claim it, open the menu and go to the Reward Center. There are 3 simple tasks listed, completing which will earn you a total of $100 in bonuses. The first task is to complete verification and claim the $20 voucher. The second is to deposit more than $10 into your account and receive $30 in bonuses. The third is to trade more than $10 on the platform and get the remaining $50 in bonuses. By following these easy steps, you'll get $100 in vouchers and a great start on Binance. Take advantage of all the opportunities and enjoy additional perks. We hope this video was helpful and guided you through the platform's bonus program. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon to not miss new videos.